Exercise 1.5, ninth question. Write the given f is equal to minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 9 is a linear function from z into z. What is the meaning for linear function? Its degree is 1. You can take a linear equation. Let f of x is equal to ax plus b. This is the linear function. F of x can be written as y. Both are same. Let f of x is equal to ax plus b is a linear function. Linear means degree 1. The power of x is 1. Here you have 3 values. Using this, you find an equation. Now, substitute minus 1 comma 3 in this equation. In the place of y, you substitute 3. In the place of x, you substitute minus 1. X comma y. Therefore, y is 3 is equal to a into minus 1 plus b. Minus 1 into a is a plus b. Just change and write, take it as equation 2. Now substitute 0 comma minus 1 in equation 1. Minus 1 is equal to a into 0 plus b. A into 0 means b. b is equal to minus 1. What is the value for b? b is equal to minus 1. Now substitute b is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. First substitute the first value in the equation 1. In the place of y substitute 3. In the place of x substitute minus 1. Multiply minus a plus b is equal to 3. Just interchange the left hand side to right and right to left. Substitute 0 comma minus 1 in equation 1. Minus 1 is equal to a into 0 plus b. b is equal to minus 1. Now we got the value for b. Using this, that is b is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. What is equation 2? Minus a plus b. In the place of b, substitute minus 1 is equal to 3. Minus a plus into minus 1 is equal to 3. Take this to the right side, that is minus a is equal to 3 plus 1, a is equal to 4. Minus a is equal to 4. Therefore, now multiply with the minus. Here plus a, here minus 4. The value of a is minus 4. Now, see the equation 1. What is equation 1? Y is equal to ax plus b. Okay. Substitute a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. We get, see the equation, y is equal to ax. A is minus 4, x plus b is minus 1. Now multiply minus 4 into x is minus 4x plus into minus 1. This is the linear function f of x. Therefore, f of x is equal to minus 4x minus 1. 10th question. In electrical circuit theory, a circuit C of t is called a linear circuit if it satisfies the superposition principle given by C of at1 plus bt2 is equal to a into ct1 plus b into ct2, where a and b are constants. Show that the circuit C of t is equal to 3t is linear. If this principle C of at1 plus bt1 is equal to a into ct1 plus bc2 ct2 satisfies the circuit, this is linear. Solution. Write the given C of at1 plus bt2 is equal to a ct1 plus b ct2. Let capital C of small t is equal to tc. Using this, you can verify. That is, take the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to C of at1 plus bt2 is equal to C of t is equal to 3 into t. C of t is equal to 3 into t. Did you understand? C of t 3 into t சொல்றாங்க. அப்ப t இருந்ததுனா 3 into t. அப்ப இந்த இடத்துல என்னது இருக்கு? at1 plus bt2. அப்ப 3 into at1 plus bt2. Once again, C of t is equal to 3 into t. C of this is equal to 3 into this. Multiply 3 into at1 plus 3 into bt2. Take it as equation 1. Now see the right hand side. A C of t1 plus b C of t2. C of t is equal to 3t. C of t1 means 3t1. Plus b into C of t2 means 3t2. Now multiply 3a t1 plus 3b t2. Take it as equation 2. From 1 and 2, we get left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is C of a t1 plus b t2 is equal to a c t1 plus b c t2. From the question, if this principle satisfies, C of t is equal to 3t is linear. Therefore, hence, thus, you can write anything. Hence, capital C of t is equal to 3t is linear function. If this principle satisfies, that is, left hand side is equal to right hand side, immediately C of t is a linear function.